Recently, the chat GCP is very hot. So today I'm going to try to see the application use the chat GTP to generate Python code to use in the animation software named Maya. First, let's take a look. This is chat GTP, and we input a question Python 3 code to draw a square in Maya. Okay, let's copy this one. Let's see, we put into Python code here, paste. Okay, execute. See, this is a square. Okay, square. So next, let's see. The next one is a Python 3 code draw a cube in Maya. Okay. Okay. This is a cube. Next one, Python code 3 to draw two cubes separated each other. See? Very nice. So next one is a Python 3 code to draw a red cube. See, this one is a cube, but not red. Okay. Next one, Python 3 code draw a cube and a cylinder separate each other. Okay. One cube, one cylinder separate each other. Okay. Very nice. Next one, Python 3 code to draw a 3D man in Maya. Okay, here. This one the head. And the leg and the body. Next one, It's a Python 3 code to draw a 3D man to walk in Maya. Okay. This is the man. This is the head, but no arm. Okay. Body, leg, no foot. Let's see this man can walk. See? He walk very fast. Okay. Okay. This is a demonstration of ChatGPT generate Python code application in the Maya animation software. Thank you for watching.